All right guys, so in the situation that you won't have a lot of countertop space, or the space is limited, you can work with your boxes and material. You can improvise table for you. So I'll show you how to make one just like this one, which is kind of helpful. Take your boxes, all right. So for these boxes, I didn't set them up properly on purpose, because you want to think about your size and whatever's comfortable for you while you're doing the job, while you're packing. So you can choose a smaller box if you're shorter. I chose my height. This works best for me. I didn't broke the flaps like usually, like I did with a box that I will pack, which would be shorter, just because this would be way more comfortable for me for my height. So I'm gonna set up one more. They would go right here, upside down. Tape. Make sure all the lines are lined up. Make sure the box is straight and looks nice. It's pretty important, because once you start loading the truck, you want nice boxes. That's gonna make it way much easier for you to stack them. This and this, and we already have a nice table that we can set up our working area.